How to set custom ringtones on Samsung. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're gonna see how you can easily set the custom ringtones on your Samsung device. So the very first thing you want to do here is go over to your settings and then scroll down until you find sound and vibrations. From the sound settings, you can go over to ringtone, and then from there, you can select all of these ringtones that are already available here. But if you want to do a custom ringtone, then in that case, you can click on the add icon at the top right. And from this plus icon, it will open up your audio file. You can visit your albums, your music over here. So all you have to do is find a music that you want to add. So let's just do this one, Fix You by Coldplay. And once you hear your music, you can just go ahead and tap on done. And then the music will be set as your ringtone. You can adjust your ringtone volume as well, and you'll be good to go. So that is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.